Hi guys, if you want this many V-Bucks in your Fortnite account for season 4, you just have to make sure you subscribe to my channel. Drop the likes on next 5 seconds if you want this many V-Bucks guys. I'm gonna give away from items or daily guys. For every day I'm gonna give away daily one winner guys. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment your big ID to win this V-Bucks. And every day I'm gonna give free skins for everyone guys. So don't forget to watch our videos. Okay guys, let's go into the video guys. Hi guys, welcome to 24 hours gaming guys. This is 24 hours and today you're gonna see a new glitch on season 3 for giving a free V-Bucks for everyone guys. Make sure you watch this video fully to get the V-Bucks guys. As soon as you go enter into Battle Royale, you have to select Battle Royale and go into the Fortnite. Okay, you just have to see the location of this. You just have to go here, see, and your internet connection has to be low. Because then only it will be available for you. The map should not be viewable. Okay guys, you have to be connected but your map should not be viewable. You just have to go into the item shop on the stage and you have to make everything as random guys. You have to be having no backlink, have to be having no glider or no outfit. Everything has to be a random only. Okay, you have to no glider guys, it has to be a random and no outfit guys, no that also be random. Make sure everything is random guys. Only the emote should be having and you have to save that guys. No contrail, that also to be random, not exceeding. You have to be random. I just forgot that because this is the first time I'm just living recording also, so I don't have anything to do because everything has to be random guys. No skin wrap also should be random. You can see down there, as you have to make everything as my loadout guys, and you have to come out. And this is not a specific scene, and you can see that this is, you can see the place, and you have to come to this bridge which is made on wooden thing, and you have to go to the new benchmark. Okay, before that, if you have anything, you can just pick. This is not in the part. Okay, I'm just picking this up. They asked us to pick something, and you have to you should use this ventilator guys, use the vending machine, and you can use it. Okay, you just have to use this, and you begin that you have. And another thing, you have to go inside that. Don't throw anything because you have to throw it on the next changing room. And here also you have to select random and random again. From starting you have to select random guys. Random. Yeah, random. He's also to be random. Everything has to be random. No skin wraps, only the emotes, and no songs also random. Everything is random. Okay, I'm just fine. Okay, I'm just going till this way. You can see guys, I'll just show you behind. See, from that store 2, I'm just coming to this store 2, and we are going to store 3, which is being left side for this. You can see this place guys. See, I can see that skull is the megalodon is being right there left side. So I'm just coming back so that you can come on the right direction. Make sure your internet connection is so low that no map of it should apply guys. That's the main feature of that. He just said like that. I'm just doing as he said, and we have to go to new bench. I hope this is new benchmark. I don't know where I'm going, but I hope this is a new benchmark. I think yeah. No, that's a banner. Yeah, that's not benchmark, it's banner. Yeah, okay, 30. Okay, that's for season 4 update I think. Okay guys, you have to go into the banyard and go to that right there straight. Okay, I'm just going back again so that you have to come from the banyard from the left side to the next store 3, which is here. We have completed two stores, and this is the third store. If you have anything collected, you just have to throw everything guys. Okay, you just have to throw everything guys. Now we should not have anything because this is the last, and next one will be the last stop for our changing outfit. You just have to go inside that. I'm just going in, and I'm just selecting again everything for random. Okay, no harvesting tool random, no glider random. Okay, no glider random. Yeah, no control random, and every wrap is random. I'm just checking everything guys, and then save it and come out of it guys, and let's go again. From the banyard, this is the next for going for that the store 4, which will be available on the mega screen. You have to go to the mega screen guys. See, you can see the mega screen right wherever you are. If you lost, you just have to go to the mega screen. Okay, I'm lost, so I'm going as you said. If I'm lost, I can go to the mega screen. Okay, I'm going. I'm just using this part. Okay, in left hand side there will be an jumper. You have to use the jumper and make sure you are just in the center of the screen guys. Nice. Okay. Yeah, that's the screen is visible. Okay, I'm just then we have to go to this way. See, at the behind we are having a screen. Okay, I'll just turn on. Yeah, okay. There we are having a screen there, so we have to go to straight there. That's the last store, guys. The last store. We have to go there and we have to do same as it, guys. If you are not trusting, you just have to skip all the way to the end of this video. I don't know what's gonna happen. Me too, I don't know what's gonna happen. It may be a fake also. Okay, and you have to select everything random. Yeah, random. I'm just selecting again all random and just do it, saving it, guys. Before you just get out of every store, you have to save it. Okay, I just saved it and I'm just going here, and last store 5 is over there, guys. You just made a circle, guys. You just started on a point and just you're gonna end on a point. Okay, and you have to see that you can see this. You will be landing here. This is the last store. You have to go in there. Okay, you have to go in this is the last store. Okay, you have to go inside. Oh yeah, it's here. You have to go inside and you have to select everything as random, guys. You have to select everything as random. Yeah, random. Yeah, no harvesting tool, no controls. Yeah, everything is random. Just clicking save and we're just coming out. That's it, guys. That's the last stop for us. You can just see we have came on always circle, and I'm just gonna go out. I don't know whether it's gonna work or not. See, I'm just online. See, the map should not be available, guys. That's the main feature of that. Okay, I'm just going back. Okay, where to go? Where's the leave? Oh, right side. No, right side. Yes, sir. I'm gonna leave this Pori Riley and let's check whether it's gonna come or not, guys. I don't know, guys. If it's not coming, I'm sorry, guys. If it's working for me, it will work for you guys. I'm just using on my Apple iPhone, guys, and I don't know if it will work for everyone or not, but it will be working, guys. If it's working for me, it will be working. Okay, it's not working. Oh shit, it's working, guys. Oh shit, it's working. Yeah, baby, it's working. It's true, baby. I just think I was having no, I don't know how much I was having. I think I just saw the numbers running. Yeah, I was having 11,000. I hope. I'm just clicking it again. It's not, nothing is happening. Why? Yeah, I think I got free V-Bucks. Yeah, baby, I'm just getting it. Okay, guys, you just have to try this. Okay, I'm just gonna buy something. Wait, let me. Oh, my internet connection is so low, so that don't come, I hope. Okay, guys, if you want these free V-Bucks on your phone, I can just have to try that. Okay, as I did, guys, and it will be working as soon as I'm so happy. I just can't talk anything, guys. Okay, guys, it's working for me and it will work for you. If you have any doubt, guys, you just comment below and I'll be making sure clear your doubts, guys. It just worked for me, guys. I hope see, everything is random. I will be selecting the skin after this video over, because see, guys, everything is as I said, guys. I didn't change anything. I think it's working for me. It worked for me, guys. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's see what's that. Okay, guys.